Geera chicken is a popular snack served in Trinidad, also known as cutters. It is mainly served at gatherings, parties, events as a light finger food. It is made by marinating chicken pieces in a blend of cumin, garlic, onion, hot peppers, and other delicious spices. Stay tuned and see how I make my Geera chicken. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't been here before, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Today I am making some Geera chicken. I'm just in the mood for some cutters, and I had some chicken and I decided to make some Geera chicken. So I have some washed chicken. I washed it in some lemon. I cut it up really nice and small because, as you know, Geera chicken is a finger food. So I put in some cumin, some ground cumin, and then I'm putting in some onion powder, black pepper, some garlic powder, and some pink salt. Now I have some cut up pimento peppers, hot peppers, and some garlic. I'm also putting in some chopped garlic in there. Now I have some green seasoning. I have a recipe for my green seasoning. I will leave the link in the description for that. This brings out such a wonderful flavor in this chicken. This is a must. So I'm going to just mix this all up. And with the green seasoning, I love using a lot of green seasoning, so I'm just going to use all of that. It just makes this so much more flavorful because of all the ingredients in that green seasoning. So be sure to check that out. So once this is mixed up really well, I'm going to marinate this for about an hour to 2 hours. You can marinate this overnight if you like, but I did it for about 2 hours. And I'll show you the next step. So right now I have some oil. I have some avocado oil that I'm using. You can use any oil that you desire. I just have this oil at hand and that's what I'm using. And I'm going to put in some cumin or Geera seeds in there to toast, because this is Geera chicken, so you want to have the Geera in layers. So you see I put the ground Geera to season it, and now I'm putting some in the oil to toast, so that's flavor and upon flavor. And I will show you as I go along what I do to really build these flavors. So once this is all toasted, you will see it kind of getting brown. That's when you're going to add in your onions. So I chopped up an onion and now I am putting that in there. So once you saute this onion for about a minute, you'll see it starting to get translucent. It will be cooking in there in the oil with the Geera seeds. Once that gets nice and translucent in color and you see that it's cooked nice and soft, you're gonna add in your chicken pieces. So this chicken was actually a whole chicken and I just chopped it up. That's what I like. But you can use any part of the chicken that you desire. You can use the thighs, which is most popular part. You can use boneless. It's up to you. You could use wings. It's just whatever you like, because with Geera you can Geera chicken neck, you can Geera pork, so it really doesn't matter the part of the chicken that you use. It's all about preference. So after this point, I'm going to cover the pot because I want this chicken to spring its own juices. So I'm not adding any water yet. I'm going to just let that happen. So I will cover it. Now I'm uncovering it, and you see there the chicken spring some juices. So I'm going to put in some shadowmeni or mandania chopped in there and mix this up really well. And then I'm going to cover the pot again and uncover again. So now, as you can see, it's really springing a lot of water. So now that it's kind of drying out, I'm going to add some water from the same bowl that I marinated the chicken in. I'm just going to fill that up with a little water, and I'll rinse out the bowl, and pour that in there. So everything will be in there. So once I did that, I'm not adding too much water because this is a dry dish. So I don't want to put too much water. So as you can see here, I'm putting in another tablespoon of Geera, brown Geera. So I marinated the chicken with it. I toasted the other Geera seeds, and now I'm putting some more brown Geera in there. Because this is Geera chicken, you want to have that nice flavor of that nice warm flavor of that Geera all the way through. So this is going to cook down and it's going to dry out. You want that to dry out real good, and you'll see how it will get. And once it gets nice and dry, that's when you know, well, this is done. But right now, it's still cooking. So I added a little more water. I covered it and let it just reduce. So you see here it's drying out. I'm going to let all that water dry out. You want it to be completely dry. And the thing with this, if you're going to make it as cutters, you could dry it out really dry, but sometimes you could eat this with dal, you can eat it with rice, you can eat it like that also. So if you want to leave a little gravy, it's up to you. So right now I'm just adjusting the salt. I'm putting salt to taste. This is very spicy and I'm just smelling it right now. Just smelling up my kitchen right now. It's just the most delicious chicken you can ever make. It is like right up there with curry chicken. Like for me, that's how because I love curry chicken too. So this is like a really delicious snack. So I'm just adjusting the salt, and once it's done, I plated it up. And this is my Geera chicken here. You can just dig in now because it's nice and dry. You see how dry it is, and once I dig in there, I can easily pick that up with a toothpick or with my fingers, and it's just nice and dry and just a nice finger meal. So I really hope that you guys try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.